So I've made multiple videos and I've thrown them all away because they were too esoteric. I just want this to be crystal clear so you can use this information. Here's what. This is a very simple concept that eludes all of us most of the time, and some of us all of the time. And that is, what is spiritual junk food and how do we avoid it and eat the real food that our soul deserves and needs and wants? Let's define spiritual junk food. Spiritual junk food is seeking success, happiness, connection, anything outside of us to make our insides feel good, rather than the natural way, the proper way, the healthy way, which is seeking connection, joy, satisfaction, love within and giving it out into the world. Here's why it's important. When you seek things outside of yourself to make you feel good, it is conditional and it won't last, and it's not giving your soul what it really wants. Just like junk food. Junk food makes your mouth happy for a moment because it's loaded with salts and all sorts of MSGs and SBSs and CDCs, POOPs and whatever. It's filled with a bunch of garbage. Makes your mouth happy, but then it makes your body miserable, especially over time. Same with if you're seeking validation and love and connection and you're doing it through social media by posting pictures of yourself like this and having people say, "Oh, you're so cute, you're so cool, you're so hot, you're so awesome." That will only last for a second, a millisecond, a hot second, but it won't give you what you really want, which is belonging, a sense of belonging in this giant cosmos of ours. That cannot occur from anything outside of us. Those are all distractions from what our soul wants. Many Americans are overeating, but they're malnourished. They're eating a bunch of crap that their body doesn't even want. So we are overstimulated, but yet we're not connected. We have the ability to buy anything we want online, to talk to 1 billion people, and yet our souls deep down are not connecting to anybody meaningfully when we do that. So that's why it's important to go the proper way. The healthy way is first connecting to source, letting your body be a vessel for giving joy and love outward rather than seeking joy like a vacuum inward. Taking. I need validation. I need likes. I need stuff. I need food. I need to look fancy. That's need. That's me. It's sucking. And that's destroying this world. It's not sustainable. If you have 1 billion different people out there trying to all be kings and queens of this world, all you'll get is separation, division, and fighting. And that's what we're seeing. But when you don't need to be heard, when you just want to hear, because you yourself are satisfied, you're gratified. So simply put, when you are craving connection and longing and love and the things that our soul deeply wants, do not settle for the junk food version. Do not settle for social media, for binging on Netflix, hanging out with fake friends and eating all this fake food. What you're really longing for is a connection to the source of everything. That's through prayer, that's through meditation, that's through calming down all these distractions. Because what happens there, through our media, through all these things that are going in our eyes and ears, we're being fed what to want, when to want it, how much to want, and it's not what we actually want. What we want is something that nobody else can tell us. It's something that we have to figure out by going deep within us and connecting that to the eternity. So something that's very uniquely us is connected to all of time and space. But we'll never figure out what that is unless we don't stop and pray and have that conversation and meditate and create the stillness to receive deep answers. Because the more that you feed your soul, your spirit, the more that it starts to take over who you are and your identity, and you start to make it real. You start to make it substance. And that's what life is about, is bringing your hopes and dreams to life rather than trying to consume other people's hopes and dreams to make you feel happy. I hope that is crystal clear. This is kind of a weird esoteric topic, but I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, please ask them down there.